Hi, good day, M6253. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good day. Hello, good day. My employer from Hong Kong. My name is Marife 14. I'm 31 years old. I'm born on March 17 and 1994, and I'm single mother and I have two kids, 10 years old and 4 years old. I'm Christian, and I'm graduate of high school. And my previous working in Doha, Qatar, I have seven family members, including couple, and 3 years old baby, and twin, and 3 months old triplets.
Okay, so 3 months old triplets and 3 years old children, which is um, twins, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
there are 7 members of the family. And other
Yes, sir.
household chores that you do?
I do cleaning. I do wash, and then I do dishes.
Okay, so
And
you are the one who do the household chores.
yes, sir.
But you have a helper also, other helpers, which is 5 helpers, right?
Yes, sir.
You are six helpers in the family, and also there have a children which is 1 month old until 3 years old. You are the one who took care of them,
Yes, sir.
and also have a 0 to 3 months old triplets.
Yes, sir.
So you are the one who took care of them sometimes, the triplets,
Yes, sir.
but you are focusing on the
3 years old.
3 years old
Yes,
children. So you are the one who took care of them since birth.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, which is 1 month old until 3 years old, and also sometimes taking care of a triplet. So you know how to prepare a milk for a baby, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I'll check the temperature, or I check I will feed. I will, and then change the diaper if full of pee or poop.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I call to my employer that I tell them that the baby not stop for crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because the Hong Kong is very safe, and I want to also to provide all my children needs, and I want to save money for my future.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years more, or if my employer want to extend, I want more.
So it is okay to extended your
Yes,
contract.
sir.
Why do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Actually, to be honest, sir, I don't have any idea to cook the Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
For watching the YouTube, or I will buy some of the
Okay.
recipe books.
Okay, and also if you got an employer in Hong Kong, you could ask them if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share job with other helper.
Yes,
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
If your employer wants you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup, it is okay with you?
Yes, sir.
How about learning their language if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Hello, my employer in Hong Kong. Please hire me because I'm honest, loyal, and trustworthy. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much,
Thank you,
Miss
sir.
Marife. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.